Finally got to take a look at the Narrowband Internet of Things. So this is actually decoding a signal with an RTL-SDR. This is what it should look like if you're decoding one for real. In this case, I've got a B205 mini all set up here, shielded, generating the Narrowband Internet of Things signal. Alright, so now you see what it looks like. Let's pause it here a second. And let's take a look at the srsLTE application note page. These guys put together a lot of directions. It's really educational. You can see here it breaks down what the Narrowband Internet of Things is. And in order to decode, you need something that can sample at 1.92, which the RTL-SDR can. Come down here, you can kind of see what the deployment would look like. And I guess apparently in Europe they usually use band 20 in the 791 to 821 megahertz. So I didn't have anything around here that I could look at, so I just made my own. To decode the Narrowband Internet of Things transmission, you can see once you find it, you can put it on a specific frequency with a -F. So I'm just going to skip forward here, and we're going to transmit and receive a downlink signal. I've got a B205 mini plugged in. In both cases, to transmit and receive, you want to go ahead and go to the user source srsLTE-release 20.042 folder, and that is in DragonOS already, and it's compiled with GUI support. So you'll run the npd sch the enode eb, and then over, so you can leave it run, and then you come over in another window, go to the same thing, user source srsLTE release 20.042 build lib examples, and you'll run what is shown in the application note example. We're going to look at the same frequency, and this will use our RTL-SDR, and it doesn't take long at all. It starts decoding, and then you can see the information. Yeah, so there you go. That's it's pretty quick, easy. Use some of the examples to decode Narrowband Internet of Things, and then you can learn more about it as you're reading up and decoding this.